Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog, another video. If you're new, my name is LaMonica. If you've been here before, thank you all for clicking on this video. As you can hear, the little one is still up, so I figured we can't just wait. I can't just wait for him to go to sleep or what have you. I was thinking about going outside for a walk. It's actually pretty nice today and it's not too warm. There's a little breeze out, so letting fresh air in, and then also maybe going out for a little walk because, girl, if you know about these pregnancy, excuse me, like discomforts, my lower back, that sciatic nerve is tearing me up. I'm thinking about going ahead and nest a little bit more. So far, I've cleaned some bottles. I had brand new boxes of stuff that was sitting in here, so I started doing that part. I do still have to nest and like clean my breast pumps. I actually have another pump too. Let me actually show you guys the pump that I have now. So I went ahead and got the breast pump with my insurance, and I wanted to go with a different one. I already have a Mom Cozy one. I also have the Lancinage one, if I'm saying that right, the purple one. And then I also have express ones. I also have a Hawka. So I have all that stuff already, but I wanted to try a different one this time around. I just feel like it's never too early to start nesting. And I feel like I should start sooner than later, because my first one, I started around 35, 36 weeks. And then no, I started around, it was like 34, between 34 and 35 weeks. This time I'm trying to do it a little bit sooner as much as I can, like in parts, because the way my lower back and the sciatic nerve is bothering me. And I want to be able to do the things that I want to do with cleaning, organizing, and things like that. Especially now, I'm going to be having two. Just rearranging and stuff like that. Change the plans of going outside right now. We'll just wait until a little bit later when the food truck comes, because he is a little fussy and I know it's time for his nap. I don't know if you guys heard him say night night. He knows it's time to take a nap. His body was telling him. But so while he's sleeping, I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up this place, tidy up this kitchen, and get back to work. I was gonna make a little mocktail, so you will, or a little smoothie of some sort, but I don't want to wake him now. So and I wanted to come back and talk about this Zoomy Fit wearable breast pump. So this is the breast pump, and I got it because I think, if I'm not mistaken, on my reviews, on the reviews I was watching, it had a warming mechanism for while you're pumping. And so this is what it looks like. And I thought the color was cute too. So it's not that bulky. I think my Mom Cozy ones that I have is a little more outward. And this holds up to 6 ounces. And I just can't wait to use this. I think it has a massage, expression, two-phase mode, nipple correction mode. I think it's a part of the massage mode that really stood out to me. And then also the fact that it was a little bit, slimmer than some of the other wearable pumps out there. Besides that Willow one, I think is a bit thinner, but now that I'm back at my desk, let me just catch my breath. It didn't take me long to tidy up the kitchen though. It was 140 something, it's now 207. It wasn't too much. It's just putting things back where they in their perspective areas, and then wiping the counters down and things like that. I try to tidy up like what him and I ate during the morning, during like lunchtime. If I wasn't able to get to it, either I had a meeting or I was focused on him or I'm trying to get some work done. So that's been helping me with my routine. But I know it's about to switch up with baby number 2 coming. So just finding the rhythm and just doing what works for you is what I can encourage anyone that is currently pregnant, that is first-time mom, second-time mom. Just do what works for you. And that's what I've come to realize, rather than trying to implement and incorporate all the different routines that are out there. It's so many things on the internet that can that are helpful, that are tips, and you can take something from everyone's if you want, or just straight up create your own. So it's the next day, and as you've seen, I am starting to prep dinner. I put the thighs in the air fryer. I just put salt, pepper, and what was it? Crushed or minced onion, because I'm gonna be putting a sauce on the top, like an Asian type sauce. I have one of those little leftover teriyaki chicken baggy sauces that was from my Trader Joe's bag from the teriyaki chicken. So I'm gonna drizzle that on top. Also, y'all saw me clean the rice. The rice is in the rice cooker, and I'm gonna make some zucchini. But first, I'm going to make me a little pina colada, a little mocktail slushy type drink. Let me know if you make drinks while you're cooking, whether that's non-alcoholic or alcoholic, and what's your favorite wine, comment down below. And then also, like, do you cook and clean as you go, or you wait till after you finish cleaning all of it? I like to cook and clean as I go, especially when the little one is running around. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this pina colada mix, and I'm gonna add a banana because I don't want it to just be this sweet. I was trying to save my ripe bananas to make some banana bread, but I'm gonna get some more ingredients for that because these are not that ripe. This is more ripe than this one, so I'll just finish this. So basically what I do is just have a little bit, some of this, some ice, a banana, and water, fresh water. I don't have any more strawberries, so I may add the strawberry one just a little bit. This one is fire on its own, like, oh, it's so good. But I have a taste for something like this. So pina colada, strawberry, the bananas in here, and the ice. It's a little sweet treat. And then I'm gonna top it off with some water. It's gonna be a little liquidy because I added that water. I'm gonna be extra and add a little whipped cream. This is the whipped cream from Trader Joe's. Just the right pick-me-up of sweetness that I need for this afternoon. It's 6:14, and today was a day, y'all. Today was a day.